If you're using a solar panel to charge your battery, but you're not using a diode, you might be damaging your panel without even knowing it. Stick around, because in this video, I will show you exactly why a small cheap component like this can save your entire solar setup. So, what is a diode? A diode is an electronic component that allows current to flow in only one direction, just like a one-way street for electricity. This simple feature makes it incredibly useful in solar energy systems. So, what's the problem without a diode? Here's what happens when you connect a solar panel directly to a battery without a diode. During the day, everything seems fine. Sunlight hits the panel, it generates electricity and charges the battery. But what happens at night or during cloudy weather? No sunlight means the solar panel isn't generating power anymore. But the battery, it's still charged and electricity wants to flow somewhere. Without a diode, current can actually flow backwards from the battery into the solar panel, and the reverse current can slowly drain your battery, damage the delicate cells in the panel, and reduce the life of both your panel and the battery. So how does a diode protect your system? By adding a blocking diode in line with your panel's positive wire, you instantly stop the reverse current. The diode lets the current flow from the panel to the battery, but not the other way around. Even in the bad weather or at night, your battery is safe and your solar panel is protected. You don't need anything fancy. Just a diode rated higher than the panel's maximum current. For example, a 10 amp Schottky diode is great for most small setups. Solder it in line with the positive wire from your panel and you're done. It is that simple. So guys, if you want your solar setup to last longer, protect your battery and panel, and make your solar safer, use a diode. So, if this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY solar tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever faced issues with solar backflow. Stay creative and stay safe. Goodbye.